1H257 here. So as from the video I just posted, like I showed, it ran good and all that, and came home, started looking at the motor, and turns out that we wiped a lobe out on the cam. So I took the engine apart now and already start draining the coolant. So yeah, the motor is gone, so I ripped the front half off and find a somewhat good cam and start from there. Off. And so like I told you, I had that worn out lobe, and there's the lifter right here. It's definitely not supposed to be like this, all concaved and all that. So that's another problem. So still gonna do more work. Gotta take the timing chain off and take out all the lifters, and we'll be able to find out how this cam looks and the damage on that is. But yeah, that's just a checkup. But yeah, stay tuned. So this is the update on the motor. So took everything front half off, took the carburetor off. So we're working on taking this off, and working on take the intake off. And that's what I want to do. My goal tonight is to get the cam out, so our lifters want to. So stay tuned. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before, so you know, so you can see how good it cleans up just using that type of thing on the drill. This is before. Now I started taking off all the gaskets and all that, and gonna clean them with the drill. And right here is gonna clean it with this drill. It's gonna get any type of gasket off material or anything, and so valve, intake, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, and then we got the intake cleaned off, and so you can see that when you just do that brushing, that it helps out a lot, get all that extra stuff off. So yeah, the bottom here, and just give it a second coat before it goes on. But yeah, obviously you guys can tell it's dirtier before. Now it looks cleaner. I'm probably gonna paint it black later on. Alrighty, so this is the one that was with the bad lobe. Obviously, I knew this was probably gonna happen. Caved in, and this is what one is supposed to look like. Flat. On the cam. Right here, you can see the nicked up spot. Flat, and basically, like right this right here, that's how flat's supposed to be. Not a flat part in the wrong part. So yeah, that's what the damage are. Alright guys, thanks for watching.